rust on the iron, wood gray and weathered, standing like sentinels guarding the way. The bike path runs smooth where the old tracks once rolled, past the quiet green villages, ancient and old. High on the crossbeam against the blue sky, the glass insulators catch the sun going by, like blue and green diamonds left in the air. They speak of a story when the lines were all there, connecting the voices of people long gone, while the wind through the wires carries the song. The Bible reminds us that seasons will pass, the grass surely withers, the flowers fade fast, but the words that we whisper, love that we send, outlast the old timber and miles at the end. For God holds the timeline of all that has been, the past and the present, the out and the in. So pedal your bike through the shade and the light, and look at those poles reaching up to the height, a silent